This is Black Investors Group, and today, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you 3 credit cards that you will easily get approved for. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you 1 business credit card that will more than likely 100% approve you for some credit. Please give this video a comment if you guys have any questions, and let's get right into it. Please make sure y'all subscribe to the Patreon, man. Link in the description if you want extra credit hacks and extra ways to make money easy. Hit the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. So the first credit card I will be showing you guys is, of course, I did a video on this, is the Discover card. Alright guys, so this Discover card, as you can see right here, gives 5% cash back. They have no annual fee, and they have a unlimited cash back match. So you can spend $1 million on this credit card, guys, and get that 5% cash back off of $1 million, which is a hefty amount of money, guys. Alright, let's get into some more benefits. Plus, earn 1% cash back on all other purchases. So with Discover, guys, they have like certain rewards that you can get per month. So like in the month of December and January, I want to say, or November and December, they have Amazon rewards. So you get your 5% rewards of Amazon, and then like the next 2 months they'll have all gas stations, so you'll get 5% off all gas stations. So it's not like you can get 5% back off of everything you buy. No, it's a certain field of rewards during a certain month with Discover, guys. All you have to do is go to apply now and fill out your information, guys. And this is the Discover card cash back. This one right here, if you're not approved for this one, you want to go to the next one, but this one right here is the most likely you will get approved for out of all the choices I'm about to go over, guys. The next one, we have Open Sky. The Open Sky credit card, guys. If you're not approved for that Discover card, go to the Open Sky card, guys. You apply for that. They are approving low credit members. No credit check to apply, guys. This is important. No credit check. So if you're not approved for that Discover card, please head over to Open Sky, guys. And as you can see, it takes 5 minutes to fill out. This card is more so for building your credit. They report to all 3 major credit bureaus. The same with Discover, guys. Same with Discover. They report to all 3 major credit bureaus. And this is a good card to get approved for, especially if you have no credit or bad credit, guys. So put that down. Open Sky. Also, guys, Open Sky has no credit report, no cash back, and no annual fees with a $200 minimum, guys. So keep that in mind. Open Sky, $200 minimum. It's kind of like a secured card. No annual fees, no cash back, and no credit report. They don't check your credit. So Open Sky, that's a good one to go. Last but not least, guys, we have the Credit One Bank credit card. We have Credit One, not Capital One, Credit One. You get the unsecured credit card, guys. It's a $200 to $300 limit, and the fees, this one does have a fee. That's why I put it last, guys. This one does have a fee. The fee is either $35, $55, or $99, guys. Alright, so you guys definitely want to go to the Credit One Bank and get that platinum card, guys, if you have good credit, if you're willing to spend that annual fee. But this is also a nice credit card to have, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. Last but not least, the treat that I'm giving out is the business credit card that will more than likely approve you, guys. For the business credit card, we have Brex. We have Brex Corporate Capital. We have Brex Corporate Cards, guys. This card is easy, that will easily approve you if you have some form of credit. Even if you have no credit, they still might approve you if you have the proper bank statements to back it, guys. This Brex card is a easy apply. A lot of people have been applying for this card. They give out a lot of benefits, guys. You can get 10 to 20 times higher limits typical than other corporate cards, guys. No personal guarantee and uncapped rewards. So just like the Discover card, unlimited cashback or rewards that you can get. 10 to 20 times higher limits, guys. So this is good if you have a big business and you guys need big limits, big credit limits, guys. Brex card is good for you because you have up to 20 times that limit guarantee, guys, and no personal guarantee. And this Brex card is looking pretty good, guys. As you can see, they have a lot of products. Let's go to their rewards. They got, you see, Amazon rewards, 3 times on restaurants, 4 times on Brex travel, and what I like the most is 7 times on the rideshare, guys. So you can have apps like Uber or dang, what's the other? Lyft, and guys, you can get 7 times points on rideshare. So this is very good for your business, especially if you're in a business where you have to transport your employees or something like that. So, you know, the Brex corporate card is very good and easy to approve you, and a lot of people are getting approved. That's this video. 3 credit cards that you can easily get approved for with good rewards and benefits, and you got the one Brex corporate card that will give you 10 to 20 times more of a limit, 7 times ride share, and way more benefits. I hope you guys like this video. For more videos like this, for more videos on credit, please make sure you like, man, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to know, ask me questions, guys. Please make sure you hit the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon, subscribe to my bookstore. I got books on sale right now, classes on sale, guys. And this is Pinlock TV, man, and we out. Blah!